Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a vendor account. On this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vendor account. We can get it from the vendor account. The vendor account is the management of the basic information related to vendors. It mainly includes basic information, address contact, additional information, payment information, and so on. The list page allows you to view the information of all vendors under the company as a whole. You can add a new vendor here and also export the list page information and inquiry to related information based on the search condition for each vendor. The current update available status is controlled by active or inactive. Here is how to create a vendor account. In the basic information section, you have to fill out the account ID, company name, phone, and vendor category. In the address section, it is used to manage the mailing address, email, billing address, and the pay-to address. Obtain it from the factory company. In the additional information section, we have to fill out the default payment account. It's an accounting account used for billing and payment terms. It calculates the last day of the bill, like for example net 30, which means 30 days later. In the payment information section, the payment method shows the payment method that the vendor can accept, and the corresponding payment account information. So that's it for how to create a vendor account. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorial videos.